Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Designer. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning logo animation that appears to move around a circle using Canva. Let's start. First of all, we create a new file in Canva. We choose the size of 800 by 800 pixels. This square format is perfect for our project. Now let's create our logo. Hit to Element and search for circle. Select the first circle you see and change the color to blue. Adjust the size of the circle to your liking. Next, we will add a text. So let's start to choose a text from the Canva font combination. Let's select this one here, I like it. And now let's change the name to our name to Laram and the other to designer. And I will change also the color here. This one to white and this one to black, and change the position. Okay. After finishing that, let's add another text element. This time is smaller, sub here. I will type Canva video tutorial and easy steps. Now let's move to the effects. Scroll down your curve and adjust the curve to create an arc. Okay. Now let's animate it. So you go to animation here, and after that you move to rotation. And like you see, it rotates, move the two of them rotate and the text move out of the circle. So to do the animation, we select the two of them, the text with the circle, okay, like this. Now select again, animate and go to rotation, and like you see now, it's turn with the circle and there is no bubble. And also let's add animation for this one here, animate, and we select flicker here, and that's all. Let's try it. And voila, you see it's look like a beautiful animation logo. Next time I will show you how to save this like a GIF and use it in your videos, or if you want to share it on Insta or any other platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time on Lamb Designer.